Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Harshita and I like to read and talk about books a lot, and this channel you're gonna see a lot of reviews, recommendations, me blabbering about books in general. So today is one of those days where I just can't stop thinking about the current book that I am reading. I was working but I couldn't concentrate. मेरे दिमाग में बस वही book घूमे जा रही थी and I had no one to talk to about that. So I thought, why not to do this? Why not to just pick up the camera and do what this channel is meant about. So yes, in this video we're gonna be doing exactly that. And that being said, this video is gonna be as raw as it can get. So without any further ado, let's introduce the book that I'm reading currently. So I am reading Angels and Demons by Dan Brown. So I know this book is very old, इसका hype आके जा चुका है, but I don't think Dan Brown का hype कभी entirely जा सकता है. Although I am being introduced to Dan Brown very recently. This is the second book that I have read. I'm not even finished. The first book that I read from Dan Brown was Da Vinci Code. That's on my channel, you can watch it. And I enjoyed it. Dan Brown was my first murder mystery and I absolutely loved it. Apart from the murder mystery and the thrill of the book, Dan Brown focuses on very specific topics. The first book that I read was Da Vinci Code. उसमें भी it touched religion, the church, the state, ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें था, ठीक है. Every murder was revolved around that. And this book as well, this book touches a very controversial, a very taboo topic, which is Illuminati. I am not sure if you have heard of it. So in today's term, if you talk about specifically, Illuminati is considered a very negative term. Illuminati is the group in which people worship Satan or Shaitan. And yes, it's a very taboo term. But in this book, Illuminati are those people who believes in science more than they believe in religion or God. So according to this book, Illuminati was considered a sacred term, like people who believed in science. But over the years, over centuries and centuries, वो काफी infiltrate कर दिया गया उस term को, because Illuminati were like vanished, they were very inactive. तो उस दौरान lot of people tried and infiltrate the group, and काफी सारे nuances फैलाए गए, बहुत सारी assumptions create हो गई, negative all over the world. And then today, that's why today people consider Illuminati as a negative term for the people who worship Satan. But the real fact is that so there were two groups. One group who believed that science is better, and the other group who believed that God is better, like God is the only one who created this universe. But people who believed in science believed that no, there is no such thing as God. Science, there's a reason behind everything. So these two groups were always against each other, okay? Religious people were always saying that no, you are wrong, and science was saying that no, you are wrong. That's why they both had their lot of differences. Okay, so one day what happened was a scientist, I'm not sure what his name was, a scientist discovered a lot, like he was religious as well. He wanted to amalgamate both the things. He wanted to prove it to the world that it doesn't have to be exclusive. Science only proves what already exists, which is God. Like जितने भी हम experiment कर रहे हैं, it somehow proves that God exists. We both can coexist. We don't have to be mortal enemies. So, but religious लोगों ने उसको भी मरवा दिया. Like they were like, no, how is it possible? So yes, after he died, then पूरा group जो था, like उधर scatter हो गया. Lot of people infiltrated that group, and then it became inactive. And now after a century, there is again a murder of a very noted scientist. Now उसके body पे बड़ा Illuminati लिख दिया. उसका murder बहुत ही खराब तरीके से हुआ है, ठीक है. अब एक सेंचुरी बाद Illuminati का वापस जिक्र हुआ. So everyone, like the person is like, how is this possible? Illuminati लोग जा चुके हैं, like they don't exist. And even if they do exist, Illuminati का main focus यही था कि they don't kill people. They always try to convince with proofs, not this murders and all. But there has been a murder now. I won't be able to give a lot of things because I've only finished like 10% of this book, but that's what I think about this book so far. About Dan Brown, I just wanted to talk Dan Brown, I don't know, like this is the second book that I'm reading of his. He always talks about extremists a lot. His first book में भी यही था कि there are two people, the church and the state, I guess. The church मानता था कि no, Jesus is everything. Jesus भगवान थे. Jesus का कोई बच्चे नहीं थे, कोई wife नहीं थी. And they wanted to portray Jesus as a supreme being, supreme God and everything. Contrasting group, the opponent of the church. They believed no, Jesus was a human being. He had some, supernatural qualities, but he was a human being. He had a wife, he had children, and now he also has a family somewhere. Like his descendants are somewhere in this world. But the church actively tried to suppress this fact. No, Jesus was a god. Jesus was not a human. Uske generations possible nahi hai because he did not procreate and all that. But he did procreate and he has family. And so now there is a special group of people who, collectively tries to hide the human family of Jesus so that they are not killed. Because if everyone knows that the human family of Jesus exists, then वो पूरा का पूरा जो the church का वो था कि no, Jesus is a god, वो सारा हिल जाएगा. Like people won't believe it anymore because अगर human exist करते हैं, human family exist करती है Jesus की, तो how is it possible? Because gods don't procreate according to the church. So yes, so that book was also around these things, and this book is also about these things. Two extremist groups, religion and science. I am so excited to read this book. I read a few Reddit reviews कि oh, Dan Brown is so overhyped. ठीक है, उसका hype आया गया. It does not make any sense anymore. But I to like it, so I'm gonna read it. And अभी तो 10% book हुआ. I'm not sure if I'll post this video or not, but if I post it, let me know if you have read this book and what do you think about this book. I will leave a mid-book review or after-book review. I'm not sure. I will be letting you know about that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And I'm not sure if you like this type of content because this is just so raw. Like I was working and then I couldn't, take this thought out of my mind. So I thought, why not to just get it over with and talk about it so that I don't have to think about it. So that's what I did. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.